What if a simple $15 repair could save you from an expensive trip to the mechanic? Many drivers see the P0451 trouble code and immediately worry about major repairs. The good news is that this issue is often easier and cheaper to fix than you might think. Welcome back to Car Care Fix, the channel where we uncover hidden car problems, simple maintenance tricks, and money-saving tips every driver should know. In today's video, we'll explain what the P0451 code means, the symptoms to watch for, and the easiest ways to fix it yourself. What does P0451 mean? The P0451 diagnostic trouble code indicates that your vehicle's computer has detected an abnormal signal from the fuel tank pressure sensor, or the EVAP, evaporative emission control, system pressure sensor. The EVAP system is designed to prevent fuel vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. When the pressure readings don't match what the computer expects, the P0451 code is triggered. Common symptoms of a P0451 code. If your vehicle has a P0451 code, you may notice one or more of these symptoms. Check engine light illuminated. Strong fuel smell around the vehicle. Reduced fuel economy. Rough idle or unstable engine performance. Hard starting conditions. Failed emissions inspection. Common causes of P0451. Several issues can trigger this code, including faulty fuel tank pressure sensor, damaged, loose, or corroded wiring, defective EVAP purge valve, faulty charcoal canister, loose, damaged, or missing gas cap, leaking or blocked EVAP hoses and lines. Method 1. Check the gas cap. Before replacing expensive parts, start with the simplest fix. Step 1. Inspect the gas cap. Remove the gas cap and carefully check for cracks or damaged seals, dirt or debris buildup. Step 2. Clean the cap. Use a safe cleaner such as WD-40, specialist contact cleaner, or another electrical safe cleaner. Wipe away any dirt and residue. Step 3. Reinstall. Properly, install the gas cap and tighten it until you hear several clicks. Step 4. Replace if necessary. If the cap is damaged or the seal is worn, replace it with a quality OEM or OEM equivalent part. Cheap aftermarket caps can sometimes create EVAP leaks and trigger codes. Method 2. Inspect the fuel tank pressure sensor. If the gas cap isn't the problem, the next step is checking the fuel tank pressure sensor. Step 1. Locate the sensor. The sensor is commonly mounted on or near the fuel pump assembly, often accessible beneath the rear seat or through an access panel. Step 2. Inspect the connector. Look for broken wires, loose connections. Moisture damage. Step 3. Check the O-ring seal. Inspect the sensor seal for cracks, wear, or fuel leaks. Step 4. Test or replace the sensor. If the wiring and connections appear normal but the sensor is malfunctioning, replace it with a new unit. Important. Always install a new O-ring seal if required. Reusing a damaged seal can cause leaks and bring the code back. Final step. Clear the code. After completing the repair, use an OBD2 scanner to clear the code. Start the vehicle. Take it for a test drive. Rescan the system. If the P0451 code does not return, the repair was successful. The P0451 code can look intimidating, but in many cases the solution is surprisingly simple. A loose gas cap, a faulty pressure sensor, or a minor EVAP system issue is often all that's standing between you and a healthy vehicle. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Car Care Fix, and turn on notifications so you never miss another car-saving tip. Thanks for watching. Drive safe, take care of your ride, and we'll see you in the next video right here on Car Care Fix.